Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. This is going to be a short video series. It's just going to break down one of my strategies that I've developed over years. I've been on many different trading floors. I've traded full time, traded for one of the biggest prop firms in Europe, and I've had many mentors on the way, and along that journey I've picked up different things, different strategies, different ideas. I've honestly tried like everything out there, traded at all different types of time frames, done market making, done futures trading. But this is one thing that I've kind of just developed over the years, which I found works really well. It's a mechanical setup which anyone can learn. You can learn yourself quite easily. It's predetermined levels, but you also might be able to get some value from it just by the concept or by taking some nugget from it. And that's fine. That's honestly what I've done over the years with different mentors. I've taken nuggets from different people, and that's formed my way of trading. So you don't have to copy it in the exact same way. I've learned different strategies of different people, and it's just all gone into my own evolution of my way of trading. But this is one strategy which it's set up that every time I see it, I'll take it 100% because I know it's got a high chance of winning. I've incorporated it into one of my many accounts, or I've also traded it on an individual account, just trading this strategy. So if you do have any questions, do comment under the video thread. I will be creating a group where people can discuss this. You can post setups if you find the same ones. But first, go through the video lessons each step at a time. And then, if you have any questions, then I'll be happy to help.